So this is where I used to keep my horse, and they have like completely redone it. This is all new. It's colored. You don't have to get rained on. All right, so this is my high school. Look at that massive football stadium. High school football in Texas. Big deal. And here's the high school, and that's the theater right there. And then this is where I went to high school in Texas.
There we go, there we go. Roll Tide, roll!
Mama's home, and I brought the wedding favors with me. The send-off pom-poms are a huge hit. Dolly and Dante are killing them. Oh, we're really gonna kill them. Look at the feet. What I like to do is I like to get it and just rub the belly. I'm at the chiropractor and I'm getting traction because apparently my spine curves the wrong way.
You're so practical and thoughtful.
Those are the best gifts you've ever gotten? Can I see how they work? Because I'm filming you.
Are you filming this?
Yeah. Can I see it?
Okay, this is the taser. You have to push the on button. And once it's on, you can either use the flashlight or the tase.
Show it.
Touching the person with the metal prongs. And this is the mace. I'm not going to demonstrate this, but up and then thumb down and then
And how does it work?
You lift this thing up and you push your thumb down on that and it goes
on the button, yeah.
On the button, and it hurts them.
That's not your only present, though.
What? It's going still? Is it a pour over thing?
Yes, so try it out and show me how does it work.
Okay. The pour over thing, you need a cup.
Well, we don't need just...
Okay.
Yeah.
You need a cup and then you put it on top of the cup.
So, I've had horrible back pain the last few days, and I'm here at the chiropractor, and I'm getting acupuncture in my ear, and it's also all in my arm, and I'm supposed to be like moving around, and it's working because I'm feeling so much better. Well, I'm not sure if you can really see it because my hair is all caught up in it, but I have like 8 needles in my ear that I was sent home with because my back is so messed up right now.